randoyan ra.
Ada berapa? Tuh mana?
Iyo, Rigo.
Kamu buai.
Wei sa red for danger, red for them. Mulai na kanda kita morta tu na singa ni kuha pambimbini mata wala ni grabe tabi. Buang abiken de ruangan na singa dua. Ruangan na singa ni mata ni daka go lebu na maruta ka lebu sambala usar na ngauna. Era setu ni bobere kenon rale ni bubali abang gomboso. Kento na have date ni mataka. Tu na le morta ka iya ibonua. Certo ko yan no nangonongo. Le morta ibono bambote ni mara usar tu nangonongo isa sa den deus ni bore dirto ni soli. Ambon den de umbusin bore dirto na bitinani. Sambo de sini bore da nungu kuli kerondo friend tu. Sambo de sarang sini bo se mata nungu tete. So subira ka sarang mulai dan balita na bida na abula sauti. Au so muti ko se mata to sawere dan di norto ya. Abina kata mulai rei sarang.
Orto sini wara dan to mga tangan na sindi.
Orto tambak nga may na tambanin do na tete makaw sawer makaw tu.
Sila ka berto na sender to ngelit tali kina na bikaw.
Bikaw me kasi tinarechio. Nimbula
bina. Wali bango bikin rotura. Mama dat sila matambo. Tatapon na kini wali.
Oh.
Tabala na antibiotic. Antibiotic. Iya. Tabaya punta na kini wali.
Yo karang matambo berai telemay. Mori di na camera.
Iya.
Alright.
Mama suruh tahu di bango ya bakla salat tandre.
Men ramidan do na.
Kamu elang ka musuna.
Men busi. Busi, berarti boros na men.
Ber kilebon do tamat beru boxing do kata do bus. Wait. Iya, wait new. Berarti wala na wait new.
Oh, tutok. Panro kasi ka koy miti.
Sa ka sama tayo koro. Sama ka nambe. Tumo na koro. Sa ka tumo na koro. Langan na video ko lang na news. Mama, kena lolo.
Kana para.
Gori. Ko na tamo ya buna siga kitu. Tono gitu.
Aru ta mandana lasu.
Aku sarga rara. Isare to ko nin rabun na
aweli.
Namatan. Sini baru ka. Aku na sabu.
Robi kanana.
Ni warni Gela karoni no tfian dono lukale.
Kala bonate.
Dan warga bentor kulur ni pakar gris.
Rabodi.
Yes, proud sponsors of the Fijian Drua, KBSP, unsecured personal loan.
Berapa besar bikin ndo kata kan aus palangi show. Ngono ngan ndo bidan remaki. Tapi wali to ka matakan matali ko ndo kilitri kina ndo so no kata mena koro. Ndo kian ndo tu nabi maruta kian ndo bugri kian. Na broken English.
Ndo relax ra.
Matak me bakadi ko. Iya. Ndo turang.
Ando daga romatu ando daga dems. Ando daga kata me Faustina. Good morning and welcome to each and everyone joining this morning. It's a short week of the week.
Right.
Iyo. We have left over with 1 day. Next tomorrow, some of us, we are happy now because we had our boss said, half day tomorrow, we'll go. This is from the outer islands.
Right.
Hotel, the hotel of the Fiji, being part of the walking there.
Right.
The boss said, you will go to the land. Tomorrow to meet our family.
You go to the land, they're not in the land.
No, they are in the island.
Oh.
We are in the land. Daw ba na kanay tukune?
Okay.
To Ngolibanua.
Right.
Ratole, we go and see our family there. Some of us, we are looking forward to see our children, to see mama, to see grandma, grandpa, to see our lovely ones.
Right.
Even though we are far apart, we are coming.
Yeah.
Are you ready for us? Are you ready? Are you got 1,000 there? Matay, if you want to invite us, Jeng, first of all, food. Matay, ronga de anggo sala kaning ko na condition na supply. Iyo. Food, ningona, saba, powder,
Right.
house, iyo. Kele, transportation.
You very expensive, my fella.
Alam mo ko ni siya ni kakana. Una sinambose George William Bulbenaka.
Right.
Thank you very much. One day, my friend.
Just confirm the message from the Minister of Education today. The message.
No school to the super school.
Correct.
This from Sabambula,
Right.
Nambua, Turak, Lami, Delanebesi.
Right.
Because of the watering.
What happened to the watering? The garden.
Emada.
Sometimes sinatang ko niko na sang nita niko na sot-sota. People end zone,
Right.
People end zone sa sinatang nita niko. And buku ni tugutuk magarto na tabani buli.
Right.
Ay na matakay data. Okay. Let's move on to the story.
Okay, this is a story about one fella. This fella was preparing for a short going. He had the wife passed away. Passed away like 1 month of the passed away. The fella still feel the hurt. Still feel the pain. Still feel the hunger. Still feel the thirsty of his life because the partner is gone. One day, they was roaming around in the village. They had from the neighbor village. That some powder, some girl, they come from the village there. They're very beauty. Like from the day, from the day, they come and play volleyball to the village. They was asking, who's this girl? Who's those girl coming? They said, that's some new girl from Suba. They come here, they stealing to Tavales, Tavales Tamay Mili.
Okay.
Here.
All right.
So they was there. Okay, today we'll go there for the powder. But this fella, he was looking for a partner again.
Baking powder.
Baking powder. Who's that? Torika.
They want to go into the Monto.
They want to go and doing the Monto. Dega. From there, they went. They was preparing. He see one new girl there. He was terminated. Satemaki terminated. So the fella was there. He was to follow the other gang, but in between the two villages, it's like 5 minutes walk.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Not very long.
Not very long.
Right.
But the distance, it's a very powerful.
Why?
Witchcraft.
Lot of witchcraft.
That place is very full of different.
It's very tower witchcraft.
So the fellow was there. The fellow was there. He was looking for the other boys. Okay, chef, we are planning. Okay, today we're going. But 8 to 9, it's a place to go. So the fellow was there too. He was there. He was there too. The fellow was there. He wants to go to the kitchen room.
Right.
He wants to foundation himself. He wants to eat. How come? What's wrong there? So from there, the fellow was going. When he entered, the boys, we ran away from this one. Because they know this fella is a very frightened fella. So they go. They going to the... Who's this fella? They went with a 110 cab gear. 110 cab. Ooh! So the shortcut is a dangerous one.
The witchcraft there.
Like the horse trek, Municipally was this crosscut.
Because steal you.
Then after that, one climbness, one climbness like this, you go down, he smell the spray. He smell. I don't know, it's a leftover from there. So, some leftover was there. He smelled the spray. He smelled the suki. He had the story from the grandpa long ago that some people, they come here, they passed away here, they doing the logging. They was fall off from the caterpillar, from the grader, lutikir na grader. Because on ilala kortikir korto amatikir. Kon italoya, sarong tu na rumuni.
English.
He had the engine room. Arong tu na indinimira. Brum brum. Oh, these people are still alive. Coming from the.
Loader coming.
Yeah. So he continues going. From there, in the upper part, he had the one infant cry. After that, he rang the whisper.
No whistle.
No, wait till the whistle. First the whisper. What's here? Aquila saropa, orto tagalogin, orto may bisong. The fella continues. But
Pussycat, no.
Pussycat daw! No, in the village, they only see the gray pussycat. They only see the brown pussycat. But now, in the night, you saw one black fella.
Big one.
Eyes red. One ka na mata na. Iyo. Apa isu bumapa? But in the last week, one grandpa passed away. one mango tree there.
Oi.
He just came from the hospital with the titoko. He coming there with one dog. They passed away together, the dog and the owner. Iya. And be careful na buniniw. Coming there. For one coconut tree for them. So he was there. He was relaxed. He falling onto them. And they passed away.
Okay.
So the fella nearly reached the last one.
Right.
The mango tree. Like the brightness of the village is sing.
Sarita ko na din.
Sarita ko na raraman din na may sanandua. So the fella was here in the mango tree. He get the he see, oh, bala. Oh, bala. This dog is still somewhere here. I don't know. Where are what? Who's dog? Avami na kamti kina kulingo. There's no pig farm here. Sini karambulangi.
All of a sudden, the light blackout.
I'm not a pig.
I'm not a pig. Who's this? I'm not a hunter. Why this one was to come and coughing here? Ow! From there he heard another sound. Tak. Akiloka. Titoko. This girl is still here. See, I don't know what she doing here. The house is there with the mosquito. Go there. Why you want to come here? I want to go for a wife. So he knew in between the mango tree, under the mango tree, this fella coming. He would take one breathing. He harnessed himself. He harnessed himself. Continue walking. In the middle, beside the mango tree, one kamandu. Walk from there.
What will do?
The mango. The tambani mango.
Right.
Tambani mango fall off. Fall off and fall up onto his shoulder. His left shoulder. When stuck onto his shoulder,
Give him the second shoulder.
stuck on a mango on the shoulder. And the fella, hui, higher, then, around me, where his face is, he moving. This fella forget the brightness of the village close to him.
Forget all the girls.
Forget all the girls, Hiram, this is one big mure tree. Hey, memore. One pigeon house. The husband and the wife still want to sleep.
They just close the door.
They just close. No, open the door.
Open the door.
They just want to sleep because it's. And the night is miri. And the night is miri. In the middle of the night, the fella just because of the frightening, he ran towards the mango tree down to the house. He entered the house in between the wife and the husband. The fella sleep. What na long? Kendo maliwo tangani kelewa. Imagine. Saling daw tu kinokwango. Lubo singleti tumbia tu na matana.
What did Zambumbu said?
Zambumbu said, "Hey, you come and milking here, and I want to make kali." Yeah, we learn some new lesson from here. First of all, engage yourself to church. Engage yourself to church. Secondly, be punctual to class.
I walk in the liquor store with a lot of emotions. I feel tired after working. My heart is hurting, but I keep smiling. I'll be drinking when I'm hurting, when I'm hurting, when I'm hurting. I'll be drinking when I'm hurting, when I'm hurting, when I'm hurting. Niko rosi ngahin ranini metaho, metaho, metaho. Niko rosi ngahin ranini metaho, metaho. Yekamera kay pitanira, yakorondi pangina. Takot na paman patira na kupona te kaisigo, but I don't believe it at all. yango iro tera ko karaya tera ko yango ya komisine ke ko akine I'm hurting I'll be drinking when I'm hurting ikoro singain ranini matahu ikoro singain ranini matahu I'll be drinking when I'm hurting I'll be drinking when I'm hurting inganga singain ranini matahu inganga singain ranini matahu Iantay arikunan suwangay na kunganit pirin na komento merakie Yarotaki ay awiyano ya meraki puro ay No I don't wanna feel this way anymore I don't wanna feel alone anymore Narita que me encuentro ahorita ahí en Tainaco I don't wanna feel this way anymore I don't wanna feel alone anymore I don't wanna feel this pain anymore Fresh on board